Hey Amazon, welcome back to the cabin. And today we're going to talk about the Petalo little thermal printer. Now we use this because we have a small little resale business and sometimes we have to ship items. And having your own thermal printer is a really great way to go. Now this Petalo little printer is really small and it's really compact. It measures 7 inches across, 4 inches deep, and 4 inches tall. It can print on any thermal label. We use it on 4x6s and 1x4s also. It was really simple to set up on my Mac. It took me about 2 minutes and it's pretty consistent on what it prints out. And one thing is every once in a while, if I don't use it for a little bit, I do have to reset it. And that's pretty simple just by holding down the green button on top for 3 seconds. It'll reset the paper and then everything prints normally. And it's fast too. The 4x6 labels print in about a second. It's extremely quiet, and the nice thing about thermal printers, there's no need for ink refills. But what you want to know is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Yeah, if you're doing reselling, shipping, or you're trying to label things in your home, these are great little printers. They're not too costly, so they don't hit the wallet too hard. So if you have a couple of different things that you're using consistently, you could even have 2 or 3 of these set up at one time. I like that it's quiet, it's easy to use, and it's pretty intuitive. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.